In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your working hours and notification schedule in Slack. If you want Slack to notify you during your actual workday and stay quiet the rest of the time, this will keep your focus sharp and your off hours peaceful. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in a browser. In the top right corner, click your profile picture. From there, select Preferences. This is where Slack keeps all your personal settings. In the left sidebar, choose Notifications. Now scroll down until you see Notification Schedule. This is the control center for when Slack will and won't send you notifications. You'll see options to use a weekdays schedule or to create a custom schedule. Weekdays is great if you work a typical Monday through Friday routine. Simply set your preferred start and end times for your day, and Slack will only send notifications in that window. If your work week is different, maybe you work weekends, have alternating days, or are on shifts, choose Custom. Custom lets you pick the exact days you want notifications and set specific start and end times for each. Take a moment to set times that reflect when you truly want Slack to be active for you. Once you've set your schedule, Slack will automatically hold notifications outside those hours. You won't be disturbed, but everything will still be waiting for you when you return. Slack uses your current time zone for these settings, so your schedule will make sense for your local clock. For short breaks or focused work sessions that don't fit neatly into your daily schedule, use Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb can run on a recurring basis, useful for a daily lunch break, or you can pause notifications temporarily, like for 30 minutes, an hour, or the rest of the afternoon. Think of your notification schedule as your baseline routine, and Do Not Disturb as the flexible layer you can switch on when you need quiet right now. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Set realistic hours that match when you actually check Slack, not just your official shift. If you collaborate across time zones, consider a slightly wider window or rely on Do Not Disturb for deep work. And remember, your schedule doesn't block messages. It simply controls when you're notified so nothing gets lost. That's it. Your Slack notifications will now align with your workday. Set your schedule once, lean on Do Not Disturb when you need extra focus, and enjoy fewer interruptions and better boundaries.